Hey there! Hear the roar of the chainsaw and the crack of timber as chips fly and precision crafts each board. Get ready for an exhilarating journey where every moment counts. Dive into the action now, and don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned. There's a thrilling twist waiting at the end you won't want to miss. Oh my gosh! He's up on that ladder, cutting right through the roof with a handsaw, and then suddenly, bam! The whole house just collapses beneath him. I couldn't believe my eyes. 1 second he's steady on that ladder, the next everything's in pieces. It's terrifying to watch, and I just hope he's okay. Honestly, I'm still baffled about why the base of the tree was on fire and why anyone would try cutting it down while it was burning. Can someone shed some light on this mystery for me? If you have any insights, please leave a comment below. I'd love to understand this better. Discover the precision of the Wood-Mizer LT70 sawmill, where craftsmanship meets innovation. This remarkable machine transforms logs into beautifully crafted planks with exceptional accuracy. The blade glides effortlessly through the wood, enabling customizable cut widths for various projects. This powerhouse not only delivers speed, but also offers an inspiring experience. Witness its sleek and sturdy performance, making every cut a testament to its engineering excellence. Oh no, it was so sudden. The tree just crashed down right onto the power line, and in an instant, sparks flew everywhere. I could hear the crackling as the wires started sparking, and the whole area lit up with flames. It was terrifying to see. Explore a German sawmill where precision harmonizes with efficiency in the art of wood transformation. Experience rapid cutting and effortless log handling, which together guarantee minimal downtime and peak productivity. This facility stands as a benchmark in the industry, showcasing streamlined operations that redefine operational excellence and set new standards for excellence. The Bandit 3100 in action is a powerful, efficient stump grinder designed for tough jobs. Its aggressive cutting wheel tears through stumps of all sizes with precision and speed, leaving behind a clean work area. Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe it. He was up there sawing away, and then out of nowhere, that big branch just snapped and fell right onto his ladder. The John Deere 1170E in action is a sight to behold. With its powerful engine and advanced hydraulics, it maneuvers through the forest effortlessly, cutting and processing trees with remarkable precision. The harvester head works swiftly, felling, trimming, and cutting logs to length in one smooth motion. Its agility and stability on rugged terrain make it ideal for efficient forestry operations. Inside, the operator enjoys a comfortable, high-tech cabin with intuitive controls, ensuring maximum productivity with minimal effort.
No kidding. Here it is. Here it comes.
The Ponzi K121 in action is a powerhouse of precision and strength. Its robust design and advanced technology allow it to handle the toughest forestry tasks with ease. As it lifts and moves massive logs, the K121's hydraulic crane operates smoothly, delivering unparalleled efficiency. Whether it's loading, unloading, or transporting timber, this machine performs with remarkable accuracy and speed. Its versatility in handling different types of logs makes it an essential tool for any large-scale forestry operation. With a focus on durability and performance, the Ponzi K121 turns challenging tasks into effortless, efficient workflows. The John Deere 1470G in action is a perfect blend of power and precision. This harvester is engineered for heavy-duty forestry tasks, tackling even the most demanding terrain with ease. Its cutting-edge harvester head fells, delimbs, and cuts logs with unmatched speed and accuracy. The 1470G's advanced control systems ensure optimal efficiency, while the spacious ergonomic cab keeps the operator comfortable and in command. Its ability to handle large timber while maintaining high productivity makes it a key asset in forestry operations. The 1470G truly stands out as a workhorse, designed to maximize output and minimize effort. The Komatsu 931XC in action is a marvel of modern forestry engineering. Designed for superior performance on challenging terrain, this harvester glides effortlessly over soft ground and steep slopes, maintaining stability with its 8-wheel design. Its powerful engine and innovative hydraulic system enable the 931XC to cut, delimb, and process logs with impressive speed and precision. The operator enjoys a comfortable, high-tech cabin with advanced controls that enhance productivity. With its combination of strength, agility, and cutting-edge technology, the Komatsu 931XC delivers efficient, reliable performance in even the toughest forest conditions. The SC1052 in action is a force to be reckoned with, showcasing both power and precision. This stump cutter effortlessly grinds through the toughest stumps, leaving the ground clean and ready for the next task. Its robust engine provides the torque needed to tackle even large, deep-rooted stumps, while the advanced cutting wheel system ensures smooth, efficient operation. The RAYCORG165T in action showcases exceptional stump grinding power and agility. With its rugged tracks and powerful engine, it navigates tough terrain with ease, tackling stumps of all sizes. The precision cutting head works efficiently.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hit the like button and subscribe, so I can bring you new and better videos every single day. Thank you so much.